Boy, if you were in the right place today, nice reprieve between two storms this week.
Yeah.
Very nice out there.
Yeah, it's kind of
If
funny.
you didn't see the sun,
Yeah.
it was just another day of clouds.
Trust us, it looks
Yeah.
great. No, a good part of the state did end up clearing out, but it took a while. Northern Maine's the only spot that stayed pretty cloudy. I want to review some of the rainfall totals we got yesterday because they really varied. And the theme here is, as you moved east, there was a lot less rain. So Norway with the jackpot by far, not almost 3 inches, at 2.68 inches. Rumford 2.2, Portland and Lewiston about 2.25, and then look at Rockland, look at Bangor, where they ended up with just over a ½ inch of rain. And so I think that was pretty correctly modeled in the sense that it was going to be diminishing as you moved farther east. That's how it turned out. Still a couple of showers across northern Maine, north of about Holton up to Presque Isle and Fort Kent. But most of us did clear out. It just is a matter of how long did it take. Along the coast, southern coast, it was right from the get-go this morning, but in through northern Maine, it's taken a little bit longer, and Aroostook County is still struggling with those showers and the clouds. But most of us will have a nice late afternoon, early evening, and temperatures stay pretty mild. The second half of the night from west to east, some showers start working their way in, but I think for a lot of us, really, it falls more tomorrow morning than anything. This is 4 a.m. tomorrow. Still, most of the state is dry. Then a period of rain moves in tomorrow morning, and it moves, same situation, from southwest to northeast. It won't be as intense as yesterday's rain as far as not only the rain but the wind. Neither of them will be as strong as what we saw yesterday, and we're likely to get a break through the middle of the day, and then some pop-up showers, maybe even a rumble of thunder involved in that, and then this whole system moves out. So it doesn't have the same total amount of rain as the last system did. And then we clear out in time for Thursday. It looks breezy but brighter, with temperatures in the upper 50s to around 60 degrees. So rainfall amounts from our next system, about a ½ an inch. You can see a couple of spots here are showing up around an inch in the shaded blue, so it will depend on how this band all lines up, but it seems to me that the areas that got the most rain from yesterday, western Maine, will see the most rain from this storm as well, so they'll be the ones that could see 2 or 3 inches of rain total. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, all look pretty good to me. Partly cloudy, coolish, isolated chance for a shower, but not enough to put it in the forecast. I did, though, add a sprinkle to Sunday because I think it looks just a little too convective to completely ignore the chance for a shower. I do think most of us are dry straight through the weekend, but cool. High temperature only around 50. That means most of the day spent in the 40s. In some cases in the mountains, the whole day spent in the 40s. Well, I guess it's better in the 30s, then the 40s. We don't get any warmer than that. Watching another storm for mid next week, we could be in a pattern where we pick up, more rain total. We talked about that a week ago or so. That was the pattern we're in. But temperatures slowly just kind of declining there, and the overnight lows freezing or below. I don't see a big change in that general trend, which is kind of how we get to where we get to, right?
Right. Don't be looking for those 70s and 80s anymore.
Yeah.
Yeah, the heat's on.
Yeah.
All right, thank you, Keith.